Hi guys, and thank you for watching this video. Just a quick heads up on what we're going to accomplish if you're going to watch these video series. Tuts on how to make a beautiful website. Here is the first one. It has a minimalistic style. This will be your website title on the left side. And on the right side will be your navigation menu. Then you have the feature post. Then a little summary on the right portion. You also have these 3 columns of your article summary. And then footer design. Now, let's proceed to the second design. Here it is. It's about the latest game, so I include the latest game images available. You have the logo on the left side, which consists of beautiful font. And on the right side, will be your navigation menu. And at the top of the navigation menu is your contact number being displayed, so that it will be noticeable for everyone. Then, you have this picture slide. I'm a fan of Final Fantasy, because I think it's cool. But, of course you can change this with your own design. Then, another title here. Then we have the 6 thumbnails for the latest games on left side. And on the right side is the GTA 5 beautiful girl. You can replace these images whatever you like. Or you can replace it with an ads. Then we have another title again. Then a short article. I used lorem ipsum for the texts. Then on the right side is the beautiful Miss Citri, one of my favorite hen game. Then lastly the footer design. This will be our final project by the end of these video series. But for now let's do a quick review on the basics, then we're going to build it step by step. Let's start. Hi folks, today we are going to discuss about HTML block and inline elements. Every HTML element has a default display value depending on what type of element it is. The default display value for most elements is block or inline. A block level element always starts on a new line and takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. So, these are examples of block level elements. Block elements appear on the screen as if they have a line break before and after them. The division or div element is a block level element. The heading 1 to heading 6 or h1 to h6. The paragraph or p tag. The form element. The unordered list and an ordered list, just to name a few, are all block level elements. They all start on their own new line, and anything that follows them appears on its own new line. While the inline elements, on the other hand, can appear within sentences and do not have to appear on a new line of their own. The span, anchor tag, the img, or image. The strong element, the italics, or I. The underline or U. The emphasize or M. The bold or B element, etc. are all inline elements. Let's make an example with the block elements along with the inline elements. The visible text is this is a paragraph. Then anchor tag. HTML paragraph. Then this is just another example of HTML. Then the visible texts, you got it? Let's create another example. H2 tag for heading 2. Then H3 for heading 3. The visible texts is another example of block level and inline elements combined. Then a paragraph. This is just a test. Then copy the texts and paste to save typing. In the middle of this paragraph, let's add the img or image element. Let's locate the image that we are going to use. In my case, in my desktop, my projects folder. The image name is penguins.jpg. Let's add additional attribute for the image. Let's specify the height and width. For the height, 200, for the width, 300 pixels. Save the file. And let's take a look at it in the browser. And there it is. The combination of block and inline elements. Which we have been using it for a while now, right? Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next part of these series of video tutorials. And don't forget to share it to your friends, family, and everyone else, because I believe that information should be free for everyone, rich or poor. So, if you find this tutorial useful, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel.